Okay, I literally just started shopping not that long ago, but I'll show you what I have in my cart right now. So I have this white crop top with some like puffy sleeves, and then I found this tie front top that I thought was cute. And then I also found this top, which is literally like a top I've never had before, but I'm also like, I think it's really cute. And all I really ever wear is like tank tops, and I need to like expand a little bit more than that. So I'm not sure I'm going to buy everything. I'm not even sure if I'm going to buy anything today, but I am shopping around and just trying to waste some time, I guess. Okay, so I decided that I am going to buy a few things, so I'm going to show you quick. I also get a 20% off discount because I have a student email. So I'm getting this bikini set, which I think, I like the color red, and I think that overall I like the style of it. I'm a little iffy on like how the top will fit, but if it fits well, then $47 for a swimsuit set's not bad. Then I'm getting some lounge shorts that are in like a tan color, and then I think I showed you the rest already, some different tops. So this should be here sometime next week. I just told you guys how this was like my favorite breakfast ever, and look what my dad got. Chocolate chip muffin. I just remembered that today is the day they're doing the relaunch for that SpaceX NASA shuttle thing. So I'm gonna try and put that on. It's only like 10:44 right now, and the launch isn't until like 3:22. But I have nothing else to watch, so I might as well try and find it and put it on. I was watching it on Wednesday when they were doing the original launch, and it was like 15 minutes before, and I was like, oh sweet, like it's almost time. And then they're like, yeah, we have to call it off. So, oh my gosh, didn't mean to zoom in, sorry. Hey guys, you haven't heard from me yet today, but I'm just sitting in our kitchen. We have stuff that's like, I think, did Megan talk about the launch going on today? Yes, so we have like stuff that's on before that. I am kind of doing some online shopping. Also, my dad got me some gummy worms because yesterday I told him I was craving them, and I was like, you should like stop by a gas station sometime and like pick some up for me. But he was at Menards getting stuff, and when he was checking out, he saw them and he got them for me. But I'm on Paxson right now. I can show you. They just restocked. I don't know if you were on this morning. I was on last night. Okay, well, I think this morning they restocked, and I was gonna get this, and it was out of my size.
I just bought stuff. I'll show you what I bought, but I'll look at it.
But I really want this top because when I was gonna get it last time, it was sold out. I'm just deciding if I want to get like which size. I'm not sure yet, but I think I'm gonna get it, and I might look around because I think they're having a sale if you go over $100. I know that that's like the whole point. I know I'm literally falling for their trap if I like order $100 worth of stuff to use the discount code, but whatever.
Ignition. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Get NASA, get SpaceX, Godspeed, Spot and Dog.
Godspeed. Wow.
Emotional moment for you right now, Katie.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
Please hold your breath, right?
Hey guys, so it's 8 o'clock. We're going to continue today's vlog into tomorrow also because we haven't been vlogging that much. TikTok has probably been what I've been doing for like 5 hours of my day, which is not good. Did you ever end up buying? Oh yeah, we bought stuff from PacSun, which I don't think we told you about. I bought one more swimsuit, and then Sierra got 2 swimsuits. I got a top and a swimsuit. We just did a TikTok where we were dancing to the Jonas Brothers, so I think I'm gonna post that. Also, we started, this was Maggie's idea, and it's not doing great right now, but she had the idea of making a TikTok chain of a bunch of like cheer and gymnastics people, and the next person who's supposed to do it is Jack Jerry, and I don't really know who it is, but like he has 1 million followers, and Maggie like knows him somehow, so he's supposed to be next, but he hasn't done it yet. And it's supposed to get to like Sean Johnson, Gabby Douglas, I'm not gonna name everyone, and then it's supposed to end with Logan Paul doing the splits. Maggie's the one that came up with Everett in it, and she's obsessed with him, so we'll see if that ends up taking off or not. But our dad's showering, and then when he's back down here, it's movie night, so Sierra's going to, or Sierra already picked, it's her turn to pick, so she picked not National Treasure, not at the museum, so we're gonna watch that tonight. Alright, we have a bunch of balloons that have helium in them from our, we had a drive-by grad party, and so
hey guys, Didn't get very high, did it? I need like something to say. I'll do a happy birthday once I do more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sierra. Happy birthday to you. And many more. I feel like this has like a fruity taste to it. It's kind of weird.
Real quick, want to pause the vlog to talk about today's sponsor, which is Skillshare. If you don't know what Skillshare is an online learning community which offers you thousands of classes where you can get creative, learn new passions, and learn new things. Skillshare offers creative classes for real life and all the circumstances that come with it. So if you're looking for ways to practice mindfulness and help manage stress, classes about drawing, writing, or journaling may help with that. Some of these specific topics I think that you guys would be interested in are topics related to graphic design, lifestyle, and film and video. One of the classes that I was looking into is from Sean Dalton, and it's called iPhone Photo Editing, How to Edit Photos Like a Pro on Lightroom Mobile CC. So I use Lightroom to edit all of my Instagram photos, and I use presets, but I was never like really taught how to use Lightroom. I've just been trying to figure out. So this class was really helpful, actually teaching me what photographers use on Lightroom to like make the photos look really nice. So one thing that I learned from that is how to make an S-curve with lighting, because a lot of photographers do that to like make their photos look good, and I like had no idea how those little curve things worked when you're editing a photo. I would just like mess around with it and be like, this doesn't look good. So this class has been super helpful for that. I also learned that when you're editing your blacks and whites of a photo, you can hold the photo down to like look at your true blacks and your true whites when you're editing, which I didn't know you could do before. Skillshare classes are curated specifically for learning, which means there's no ads, and they're always launching new premium classes. That means you can stay focused and follow your creativity wherever it takes you. Plus, it's less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. The first 1,000 subscribers to click the link in the description will get a 2-month free trial of a premium membership so you can explore your creativity. Alright, good morning everyone. It is May 31st, right? Yes. Day 2 of the vlog. We suck at vlogging, but basically I already ate breakfast. Megan is eating her chocolate muffin right now and having some milk. We actually just finished planning out the videos we're recording today. Sorry if you can hear like their dad's treadmill going on right now, but he's in the basement working out. So Megan's gonna eat breakfast, and then I think I'll take you guys upstairs while I get packed because we're gonna go to the lake tonight. Alright, so we already went to the lake like a few weeks ago with our mom, but the weather was so bad we pretty much were just inside the entire time, and there's like no jet skis or a boat in, but they are in now, so hopefully it'll be more fun. The weather's looking good, so I can actually go outside. So I've packed my mask and my bucket hat, and then also my makeup so far. Got some chargers for my iPad and the vlog camera. Got some swimsuits going. This is my triangle swimsuit that I got a little bit earlier this year. It's like the blue sparkle one. I think the color is Midnight. Really like this suit. Probably just gonna pack like honestly most of the swimsuits that I have. Got this one from Arc Swimwear. Throw that in. This top is from PacSun. Megan actually put like a ponytail on the front right here. Normally it's just like a sports bra style, but I don't feel like taking that off right now. Or maybe I'll wear it with it, I don't know. These are the bottoms from Arc Swimwear that goes with the top I showed. And then I have this swimsuit top from Shop Love Street. These are the bottoms that go with it. And lastly, black high-waisted bottoms from PacSun. And actually these might be from Aerie. Yeah, these are from Aerie. And then this top is like a black sports bra top from Aerie. We're packing up our things right now. Got our tripod and camera stuff. I think Megan's packing a little bit for the lake so that when we come back from filming, we can kind of leave as soon as possible. I also think that our mom, I'm like kneeling right now, so if I look like I'm gonna fall over, that's why. But I think our mom's gonna come over after she's done doing whatever, I think around 5, and we will head off. All right, we just got to Maggie's house. Our plan today is to record 2 videos and then also start a 3rd video, which is very good of us to do. And then yeah, I think we'll be done by 5 o'clock. Maggie wants to make a TikTok. So today we're doing a video where we try a same skill challenge, and then we are doing fake cheer ups that we think should be real, kind of like we did the gymnastics one. And then we are going to be also doing a video where we are trying out Gabby Fuller's stretching routine. So this might be up before then, but you guys get a little sneak peek, and we're gonna try doing it for a week. It's gonna be a modified version because hers was like really long, so I like screenshotted a few of the things, but it's gonna be most of it, I think. So we're gonna get going, and we'll probably talk to you guys after we're done recording. Just finished recording 2 videos, and we are going to call it. So I don't know if we're gonna do the Gabby Fuller stretching video. I just like don't feel like doing it now. Maybe we'll do it some other part of the summer, but I just don't feel like recording it and having to record it like all through this week. And I don't know if you guys even like want to see that kind of video, because a lot of it would just be like silent stretching. So I don't know. Look who I'm with, my mom. So she just came, picked us up. Megan and I are packed up. She stopped at a gas station. She got us a Coke. And then I just showed you guys that my dad got me these yesterday, but had to get them again. So we'll be heading up to the lake. It takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours to get there. And then probably check in with you guys then. Alright, so it's been a while since we vlogged. We got McDonald's on the way to our lake house. Had that, and now Megan and I are actually planning our podcast for this week.
We're getting a lot of details and stuff figured out.
It's
So
a very important one, so we're trying to make sure we get everything right. We're watching a little bit of Family Feud. If you guys can see, hopefully it's not too
that's like our
dark.
tradition up here.
Yeah. We really hope you guys enjoyed our vlog over the past 2 days. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. We also have a podcast called According To, so if you want to listen to that, make sure you check it out. And we will see you guys in our next video. Bye. Bye.